Hey Dickie D, hey Chad, hey chat room. Buddy Yates from Palm Springs again. I'm still walking. I'm about 600 miles from home. So this is a gadget that has no batteries. It doesn't connect to the internet. It'll never stop working. And here's my review. Gizwiz Magic Trick, take 23. This is starting to get expensive. So have someone in the audience sign or draw on a $100 bill. And then you take that $100 bill and you tear it in half. And then you tear it in half again. And now we have 4 equal pieces. And say the magic words. It makes its own gravy. And it's whole again. I messed up the trick, but you get the idea. I need a lot more practice. So I went on Amazon and I bought $100,000 worth of prop money to find, and I wanted something that was the right size, shape, and color. One of these is a real 100 and one's the prop 100. There are lots of prop bills to choose from and no photos of the money, so I had to rely on the reviews. The only negative reviews for this brand was the paper doesn't feel right. The bills are printed on bond paper. I'm not a counterfeiter, so I don't want it to feel right. You can buy different denominations and you can buy different amounts, obviously. The band is a nice touch and they look pretty good. I chose $100,000 of 10 bundles of $10,000 each. The more you buy, the cheaper they get. These 1,000 bills were $30, about 3 cents each. I've seen paperweights made of stacks of dollars. A real bill on top and bottom of the stack of paper makes the stack look like real money. I can think of so many fun things to do with 100,000 prop dollars. I might stamp my YouTube channel on some of the bills to make what Chad calls merch. Next time you go out on a date, stuff your wallet full of these and you'll really impress your date. So I can think of a lot of things to do with these as business cards or bag stuffers or paper airplanes, or magic tricks. So $100,000 worth of prop hundreds for $30. I thought that was a good price. The quality's good and I'm entertained. So anywho, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.